Hi everybody, in this quick 60-second video, I'm going to show you my Swatch Variable InDesign script that was originally written by Jim Birkenseer and modified slightly by me. So what this script does is it solved a problem when we weren't able to match an exact color, especially when the first printings were perhaps done with Pantones. It's much easier to output a grid of similar swatches offset by a formula which reduces the CMY up and down. I've sampled just a random book cover to show you. The script only runs on CMYK. So I'm going to convert my swatch to CMYK. I'm going to go to my scripts panel and boom, voila. You can see that I have 180 different swatches. All the values are in my swatch panel. So when my proof comes out and I pick the square, I have the values to plug into my file.